Hi there, dear artsy-craftsy friends. I am sort of nervous. My heart is beating like a drum, actually. It has been such a long time since our last video. But let's have a chit-chat together. Long time no see, which is, by the way, a very true statement. Some of you might still remember that I lost my eyesight many years ago after having a stroke. So I lost my eyesight. This has not changed, by the way, so health is not the main topic on my agenda today. Which is why let's go down to business. My sister and I were notified a few days back by YouTube staff that we are going to lose our YouTube partnership because we got lazy over the years and haven't posted new videos and new tutorials and so on. As a matter of fact, we didn't get lazy. This YouTube channel was supposed to be my full-time job when I first started it nearly a decade ago. So was supposed to earn some income for me and stuff like that. You know, it was crocheting was a huge passion, and having this job was kind of idyllic, right? Yeah. Getting this notification that we were going to lose the YouTube partnership was kind of like a reminder that we should make some New Year's resolution, let's put it this way. But going back in time, I should say that I simply refused to make new videos and new tutorials because I couldn't make videos and tutorials on crochet stitches and stuff like that. For a very long time I wasn't even able to make the basic foundation chain. I couldn't. So I always had to ask my sister and my mother to help me with the foundation chain. However, this has changed. And practiced after doing lots and lots of practice. Some of these, let's say, issues, right, disappeared, right, and relearned to make these basic stitches, like the single crochet chain, the double crochet chain, and the crocodile stitch, the front post, the back post. By the way, I just can't make the half double crochet stitch, which is so crazy. I can make it. Even though I did a lot of practice to master the half double crochet chain, I just can't do it at the moment. But let's go back to the notification thingy and losing the YouTube partnership and so on. Since this channel is a source of income for my sister and I, it would be such a shame for us to lose this precious and fun and delicious way to, to to earn our living. All right, So we decided to relift our YouTube channel, which is why, by the way, you can notice that we changed the channel's name from my name, Katarina Stan, to CoolorfulDIY. This is how you can find us on YouTube from now on, as CoolorfulDIY. My mother is going to give us maybe a hand, and we shall try making new tutorials with this warning. Let's say warning. They are going to be very basic tutorials for the very basic crocheter, because I just can't do the terribly complicated and advanced stitches. So if you can tolerate that, this minus default of mine, we should have some fun coming up with creative ideas on how to combine the crocodile stitch and the half, not the half because I can't do that, the front post, back post, and the waffle stitch, and the granny on the straight. Look, take a look at this. This is a blanket I'm doing for a friend for Christmas. With the granny on the straight stitch. Sorry. So if you can handle that this issue, well, we really should have some fun coming up with ideas and patterns for hats and squidgies and scarves and stuff like that. This is very important for me because and for my sister, but for me it is very important because it's quite a challenge not being able to see and handle the crochet hook to make the very foundation chain and the edges and having to make them look good. Right, I told you my English skills are sort of rusty. And have to deal with the tassels. Look how many tassels I had to attach on this blanket. Stuff like that. Well, anyway, this was all because changing our YouTube title made us lose our ability to make videos longer than 15 minutes. Oh well. Well, see you next time. Wish us luck and watch us, please. Follow us on Facebook and stuff like that. And share our videos and help us. And we shall help you make creative hats and stuff like that. Delicious hats and delicious scarves and stuff like that. Be well and see you next time.